One of the massive and sad problems in the world is hunger. Hunger and homelessness go hand in hand. In order to address this homelessness and hunger, you have got to have the right heart condition. When you have a heart condition, that is the willingness to want to do something about it. If you don't have faculty to get you to that place, then everything is vain. Fortunately, we have a vehicle, and the name of the vehicle is called Onpassive. Onpassive is an IT company whose purpose is for the uplift of humanity. Onpassive has a platform called Obless. Obless is what we have been looking for a long time. Obless is a crowdfunding platform that is different for all the rest the other crowdfunding platform. What makes Obless differently is the donors who use Obless to distribute the funds that are donated for the purpose of helping people in need are given every penny to the needy. No administration fee is dedicated. The designer of Onpassive is a man who has been able to design and that is able to that what is in hard and multiply it millions of time. That is the Oblast. It takes a lot of people on the same page with the same mindset and heart condition working together for the benefit of those poor souls who cannot do it by themselves. Homelessness and hungry people need help. Someone who feels their pain, but not only feels for them, and someone who is to put the effort and resource where their hearts are and get this homelessness and hunger going to positive direction. How many times have you walked down the street of you are riding in your car and someone comes up to your disabled seat and asks you for just a few coins to get something to eat? Has that happened to you and you look into your pockets and you really did not have any money to speak of to be able to help? It's happened to Lord. By now we are positioned and founder on Passive to be able to share what was shared with by Mr. Ash Mufare and his family. Onpassive is a company that put people first and not profit. And when you are not motivated by the love of money but for the love of people, things change, and things change. Their thought held that is it this earth to where no one should go to the bed hungry. No one should be homeless. The reason this happening is the gross mismanagement of resource. And when speaking of resource, the founder of Onpassive are the genius of massive movement that is going to the put big dead in homelessness and hunger. It has already started in India. The word Onpassive and Oblast, when Oblast is launched to the world, it will make things better for the homeless and the hungry.